My name is Muhammad Muizullah bin Sirajuddin. My number battery is 08 DEEP50102 and I am an electronic communication engineering student. Today, I am excited to present my final year project, Smart Safety Helmet for Construction Site. This helmet is designed to enhance worker safety by integrate two key features, life tracking and S.O.S button for emergency.
Construction sites are one of the most hazardous working environments. Traditional helmets protect the head but lack features to assist in locating workers, sending alerts, or facilitating communication in emergencies. This project aims to enhance worker safety by integrating real-time tracking, emergency alerts, motion detection, and a mobile app for better communication between workers and supervisors.
First, we have GPS module. This module is responsible for tracking the real-time location for the workers wearing the helmet. Next is the S.O.S button. In case of emergency, the workers can press this button. Once it active, it immediately sends an alert along with the workers' exact location to the supervisor or emergency response team. We also have a motion sensor built into the helmet. The sensor monitors the workers' movement. If it detects that the workers have been motionless for prolonged period, it triggers an automatic alert, assuming that the workers may be in distress. At the heart of the helmet is the microcontroller. Acting as the brain of the system, the microcontroller manages the communication between all the components. Lastly, all of these components are powered by a compact rechargeable battery. The battery is designed to last through a full day work shift, so workers can rely on the system throughout their day.
Okay, so this is from side of this helmet. As you can see, they have S.O.S button and there's all the parts put in here. This is view from the back, then this lastly view from the inside. Now we look more detail in the black box on the helmet. So this is all the parts are put in on the box. So in here we have accelerometer, battery, microcontroller and the ESP32. So the top of button on the black box is a switch to on off the parts on the safety helmet.
To get started, the workers must open the app and enter a username and a 6-digit password to sign up. After clicking sign up, your account is created. To log in, simplify enter your username and 6-digit password on the main screen. Once logged in, connect your helmet via Bluetooth by setting it from the list of available devices. Then, enter the phone number of the supervisor to ensure direct communication in case of emergency. Now, you are ready to access all the app's features, including monitoring alerts and sending emergency message. of emergency, the workers can press the SOS button. Once pressed, it immediately sends an alert to the supervisor along with the worker's location, ensuring quick and accurate assistance. The helmet is also equipped with a motion sensor that detects if a worker remains motionless for a prolonged period. This can be critical in situations where the worker is unable to press the SOS button. The smart safety helmet allows supervisor to track workers' location in real time and ensure quick response to motion detector even if workers cannot press the SOS button, and provide instant communication via the mobile apps. These features help improve safety and emergency response on the construction site.
To sum up, the smart safety helmet is a comprehensive solution to improve safety on construction site. It combines real-time GPS tracking, motion detector and emergency alert system, and it dedicated mobile apps, offering better protection for workers. Thank you for watching this presentation, and I hope this project inspires more innovators to make construction site safer for everyone.